Hello, I'm Sara Hatami. I'm commercial and knowledge transfer at Universidad Oferta de Catalunya. Today I'm going to present industrial doctorate program, which create an opportunity for collaboration between university and industry. What does an industrial doctorate project involve? Anybody here know about this project? No? No? Okay, good. I'm trying to explain about what is it. Maybe it's interesting if you have company or if you want to continue your PhD. It will be very interesting for you. Okay, this program is a Government of Catalonia programme that aims to foster development of a strategic research project at Catalan industry and create synergy between university and industry. The other aims of this program is to contribute competitiveness and internationalization in Catalan industry and to place the future PhD holders in the right places to doing their R&D and I projects at the companies. This program is a consolidated program which Catalan universities and research centers and more than 100 companies currently are participated in this project. The purpose of this project is to fund grant to university, research center, hospital foundations, to development of industrial projects in any field of knowledge and any sector of the business. This program has three core actors: industrial doctorate student, university and research centers, and companies. The essential element of this program is research project, which is developed at the company. The industrial doctorate or the PhD will carry out the thesis and producing the thesis at the company in collaboration with the research group at the university or the research center. This is the purpose of this program. This program acts as a bridge for knowledge transfer and also encourage to closer ties the collaboration between university and industry. These projects are developed through a partnership agreement between company and university. In this program, the PhD student represent a different thesis and in a different way, because this thesis is focused on the real problem and the real need that companies faced with. In this program, the PhD student will have a thesis advisor at a research group at the university or research center and has a responsible at the company. This program has two types of funding. One of them is co-funding and another one is a specific funding. Majority of these projects are co-funding types. The framework of both of them is signing a collaboration agreement between industry, company, and university, and deciding the industrial and intellectual properties, publication of the result. The academic sector in both of them, academic actor in both of this type is Catalan public and private university and research center, and thesis advisor should be from SGR or ICRA researcher or hold the European Research Council grant. If the company which apply for the co-funding type of financing should be located at Catalonia, while for a specific funding, company could be located also in European Union. The type of the company could apply for this grant for co-funding type are public and private companies, not-for-profit associations and foundations and public bodies. In a specific funding, the type of the companies could be research institutions, subsidiary companies thereof, the ministries, office and regional services of the government of Catalonia are not eligible. Private academics from research institutions also cannot be eligible. For co-funding type, funding will all the three actors of companies, a student, and a university receive the funding. While in a specific funding, only a PhD student receive this funding during the 3 years. The PhD student in the co-funding should be employee at the company with a full contract. But in the specific funding, the PhD student could work in the company or in the academic partnership. The minimum salary for the PhD student who work at the company or academic partnership is 22,000 gross every year, the minimum salary. Duration of doing this PhD for co-funding type is 3 years, but in the specific, maybe in some cases, could be more than 3 years. The dedication to R&D project for the co-funding is full-time. The PhD should working as a full-time in the company, but in the specific, the PhD student could be work as for a part-time or full-time at the company. The dedication time working on the project and the both of this funding is depend the agreement between the university and the company. There are several advantages for each of these actors. For example, the students who doing this PhD has opportunity to practice in R&D and I projects, working in an innovative company. Also, they can be overseen by company and university staff members and continue assessing their progress. They can work in 2 places, university environment and company. They receive the complementary training in a subject that are highly attractive for the company. Also, they can apply for international stay. They can participate in international conferences. They can make contacts that they will help them in their professional life. And disadvantages for the company is that company will have the option working alongside with the top level scientific that they has cutting edge of knowledge and updated knowledge. Also, they can access to top-notch equipments and infrastructure. Also, company will be able to recruit individuals with a great potential to improve the competitiveness and internationalization of the company. Also, the company can build a partnership with the scientists who can serve as a strategic alliance in the future. For example, they can make this collaboration, and then after this, they can participate in many European projects with the scientific that will know through this doctorate industrial project. Okay, university also has giving advantages and take advantages to applying and to having this type of the projects. They contribute to development of the country by increasing the innovative capacity. They train researchers who will be able to face with the high complexity challenges, and also they establish the relationship with the companies that must face every day with the complex challenges, and they want to continuously improve these problems and gaps. At UOC, we have different research groups that are working related to the Industry 4.0. Here, I'm going only to speak about 3 of them. One of them, the first one is Wireless Network Research Lab, WINE, the Internet Computing and System Optimization, ICSO, and some research group. The Wireless Network Research Lab, WINE, the research lines of this group is industrial networks of Internet of Things and machine-to-machine networks, contextual intelligence on the Internet of Everything, edge computing and software-defined networks, mobility and management of the radio resources in 5G mobile networks. Currently, WINE has different industrial doctorate projects. One of them is with Lauda company. Now they are working about predictive maintenance of industrial cooling system. The goal is train a PhD student to master machinery automation and information digitalization technology. develop advanced analytical techniques applied to industrial data sets to support knowledge extraction and derive predictive maintenance application. The other one that doing in collaboration with UPC is Crystal free node on chip. The goals are developed to the first time a system on chip without reference crystals, and then address clock calibration and radio tuning issues due to clock instability. If you are interested to this research line, you can contact with Xavi Villajosana, the group leader, and also with Pere, who organized this seminar. The other group is the Internet Computing and System Optimization, ICSO. The research line is about data analytics, intelligent algorithms, optimization, machine learning, and smart cities. Also, currently, they have the industrial doctorate with InSilo. InSilo is a company who produces a smart wall-entry sensor with embedded computer vision algorithm. The title of the project that they are working now is about application of big data and optimization to inventory and distribution management. The other project that ICSO has is with Renus Logistic. It's about application of data analytics and meta-heuristic algorithms to optimize real-life logistic and transportation activities. If you are interested in this research line, you can contact with Angel Juan, the group leader, also with me, because I am collaborating with ICSO. Other group is SOM Research Lab. The research line of this group is message-driven APIs, with code generation for IoT environments, reduce coding effort, and communication errors. It has many demands right now. Enhance modeling technologies for Industry 4.0. If you want to model and simulate your Industry 4.0 using digital twins, you can contact with this group. If you are interested, you can contact with Jordi Cabot, the group leaders, or Abel Gomez, postdoctoral researchers. Thank you. It was a very fast conversation, very fast presentation. I only want to very short present about this program. If you are interested to know more about it, I bring some catalog there. You can take them, and if you want more detail about this program, I'm here, can help you and answer your question. Thank you.
Thank you, Sara.